Here you go. This is the new Rain Chain water fountain. A rain chain water feature enhanced in the summertime and springtime. A do-it-yourself kit does it for you. You can get it at www.rainchaingutterguards.com or supercleangutterscreen.com. Have your rain chain give you the visual and sound pleasure you want year-round. It's not raining outside, but you get the water feature in the front yard or backyard. You can also hook it up into your tree. You could have an above ground tank or below ground. This one, as you can see, is an above ground system. But it sounds really good in a hot 105 day. That's temperature, 105 day. Year round.